Then we have equity. So, the equity is the residual interest. So, meaning, mo na siya ang salin. Salin after you deduct the liabilities from the assets. And it depends on the form of business or organization, how you are going to name the equity section. So, if it's a proprietorship, a sole proprietorship, it's owner's equity. If it's a partnership, it's called as partner's equity. And if it's a corporation, it's called as stockholders equity or the shareholders equity. So remember ha, apostrophe ani before sa S. Kay usara may tag-iya. Pag partnership, kay daghan magtag-iya, so after sa S. And pag stockholders na siya, so after po na siya sa S. Kay daghan man sila. Okay. Mo ni siya ang pwedeng sayop sa pagbutang sa apostrophe manggod sa paggama sa equity section. So remember, basta daghan ang mga tag-iya dapat sa wahi ang apostrophe. Okay? Katurang before sa S para na sa sole proprietorship. Okay, usara man. Then we have the term stockholders equity or the shareholders equity. So, depende kung unsa man ang gi-follow, pero mao ni ang mga terms nga gamiton. Okay? So, for example, for the IAS or the International Accounting Standards, which is being followed by the PAS, so ang tawag niya aning mga accounts ani kay share capital. Ang Philippine term is capital stock. So, these are shares of stocks. Then, pag subscribe share capital sa IAS term, subscribe capital stock ang tawag sa Philippine term, and so on. So, na siya mga corresponding terminology. Okay? So, sometimes in the books, they use it interchangeably. Like, magamit sila share capital, pero magamit po sila retained earnings. Yan na po yung magamit o revaluation surplus, unya mo gamit po og treasury share nga term. So, depende po na siya sa chart of accounts nga gamit sa company. Okay? And these items here, you will learn about these again as we go along sa intermediate accounting. Then we have the notes to financial statements. So these provide the narrative description or the disaggregation of items presented in the FS. So description, so mga description niya, na ay explanation, and i-disaggregate, meaning bungkago niya. So na-breakdown na mga schedules. So these are used to report information that does not fit into the body of the FS. Its purpose is to provide necessary disclosures. So to expound more para mas masabtan pa sa users ang FS. And these are the main line items. So, tapo na itong gimension sa asset portion o sa equity section and sa liabilities nga section here. So, muna siya ang mga items nga ma-include. So, this is the usual nga arrangement here in the Philippines. Okay? But, however, in spite of that, PAS1 does not prescribe the order or format. Okay? So, wala gina siya namugos nga gyud pagkasunod-sunod. So, wala na niya gi mandatory. Pero mao niya ang suggestive nga format or arrangement sa mga accounts. So, from cash down to the share capital. Okay? And how do we present the SFP? So, we have learned this in your fundamentals of accounting and financial accounting and reporting. So we have the report form. So meaning there's a downward sequence. So you start with the assets, then liabilities, and then the owner's equity. Okay? So nga na siya og forma. So this is for a sole proprietorship na siya mo na nagamit ta og ABC capital. Kay kung shareholders equity pa na siya, wala na na word nga ABC capital. Dili man tag-iya imong ibutangan na. Imong ibutang kay ordinary shares man imong ibutangan na or preference shares. Okay, so pag straight na siya up until dire, top to bottom ang iyahang arrangement, so that's report form. If it is from left to right, wherein ang assets na diri, and then sa right side kay liabilities and owner's equity, which is following the accounting equation, di ba? Nga ang nasa left side kay assets, because nga side sa equals liabilities plus owner's equity. So muna siyang this is called as the account form. So again, we're using here a proprietorship. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be updated with the latest video lessons. Thank you for watching.